Now let's look at adding and managing playlists. So once again, we come to manage, and this time we come to playlists. And all your existing playlists will be listed here. You can add a playlist, you can import a playlist. I'll explain that later in this video. You can export a playlist, okay? So basically, these are the existing ones. We can just click on one here, have a look at how it's set up. So we just got the playlist name up here. These are all the files in the video library, and these are the files in the playlist, okay, or the songs in the playlist. And you can see we've set the start time for each of them and so forth. So let's start by just creating a test. So we're going to come to add playlist. I'm going to call this demo. Now, obviously, I've got 1,400 videos in here. It's going to be a bit hard going through selecting like that. So let's say I want to add some AC/DC. So I'm just going to type AC/DC in here. All the AC/DC songs come up, and now I can just select the AC/DC songs that I want in this playlist. And then once I've selected them, I click Add Selected. They come over into the playlist area, and they are removed from this selection here. So you can't add the same video twice, okay? Now, if I want to add a specific song, I can start typing the song name in here, and this is the song I want Stairway to Heaven, and once again, Add Selected. So I want some Bon Jovi. We'll add a few Bon Jovis. So I want some Elvis. So as you can see, it is really quick to add songs to the playlist. I'm just going to go through, add a few more. Okay, I think we've got enough to play with here. Actually, what I'll do is, once again, so I don't get a copyright strike, I'll add this one in, and we'll play with this one. Now, once again, you can also search on the playlist side. You can search by artist title. You can select, and you can remove from the playlist. Okay, but we're going to we're going to come to Music Bingo Blast, and we're going to go edit. Once again, it loads the video here. Now you could just quite simply type in the minute and the seconds that you want the video to start at, and you can even go 0.65 or whatever. Okay, so you can do fractions of seconds as well if you want to get it spot on. The other thing you can do is you can actually just drag, you can scrub through. You can scrub through the video to where you want it to start, and you can click set current time, and that will set it to where you are here. Or the other thing is you can do, you can actually play through the video. And then once you get to the part in the video where you want it, once again, set current time, and that will set it that way. So there's three ways you can find the perfect start time. You could watch the video in another player, mark down the start time, and come in and just enter it straight in. You can scrub through like so, or you can play through until you find the spot. Once you've got your start time set, click save, and your start time is set, good to go. Click save again, and you're out of there. And we come down to demo. We see we've got 20 songs in this demo playlist that we'll use throughout the rest of this training. But at this stage, we don't have any cards generated yet, so that's going to be our next step.